How to know if there's a spyware on your device, Part 2.
Number 4, unusual data usage. This is self-explanatory because these things run on the internet. So you notice that 20 gig that normally lasts for you for 1 week or for 3 days, 2 days it don't finish. How they wonder what's happened. So because these apps keep refreshing, they keep supplying information to the to the back end where whoever is spying on you is, it's data. So all these things are uploaded through the internet to that person. So, and it's on your data.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
It's not my own, it's your own that we're using to monitor you. You get the point now. So number 5 on our list is, if you notice that your autocorrect no dey work well, if you type something, the thing go dey type another thing, they misbehave.
Why do you want to use yourself as an instrument of the devil to cause havoc?
There are chances that somebody has installed a keylogger on your system or your phone or your laptop or whatever. Now, keyloggers are applications that are used to record what you're typing and all that, especially your pins. This is a particular way of monitoring people to know, like, especially when you want to impute your bank pins and everything. With the keylogger, someone can actually access your pin and know that, okay, your pin is 1984 or 1961 and all that. That is the way they find out. So most times with this keyloggers installed in your phone, you notice that your autocorrect starts malfunctioning. You're typing and that thing is showing and that thing. Brother, the chances that your phone has been...
You get it? Okay. If you don't get it, forget about it.
Make a note from my finish. Number 6 on our list, if your phone shuts down inappropriately, like on its own, your phone will just go off. You are just using phone that is 100%, 85%, and next thing, your phone just... or it will restart. There are chances that your phone has a spyware installed in it. You understand? So these are things that possible indicators to tell you that there could be a spyware in your device. So let me know in the comment section if you've noticed any of these things in your devices. And like I said, it's not like 100% that, okay, once you're noticing this thing, there could be other things that can cause these things. But if you have all these things I've listed on your phone, okay, your phone, there's a spyware on it. There's no two ways about it. Okay, so like I said, I think I should make a video on how to get rid of these spywares later. Let me know in the comment section if I should make a video like that, and comment your thoughts if you had anything, if you have experience of any of these things that I've mentioned, and make sure you follow me. And as always, you can thank me later.